Hi everybody, I'm Pam Bacom and I'm a licensed teacher and former journalist. If you want to learn how to write an essay, you need to watch my videos. I will be teaching you step by step on how to write an essay that includes an introduction, a body, a conclusion. All right, step 2 is writing your thesis statement. Protecting their babies from getting hurt. How to edit and revise your essay. I like the word learn, but I might add the word discover to this sentence too. And instead of the word types, I'm going to use the word species. My videos are divided in half, so you'll have 2 videos and they're less than 20 minutes each. You'll also have homework, and I will give you an essay prompt and the article, and we'll be revising your essay as you go along. So I hope to see you soon, and good luck on your essay writing journey.